Hello everyone. Scholar Labs is a groundbreaking platform that revolutionizes learning by bringing science experiments to life with 3D augmented reality. Our expert crafted simulations enhance classroom experiences and are accessible on all devices without special equipment. Today I will be taking you through the simulation Animal Husbandry Poultry Farming. In this simulation, you have to create a poultry farm and build out the best surrounding ecosystem to maximize production of eggs and meat while keeping them in best health. Before we begin, let's have a look at some important control buttons. This I button on the top right corner of the screen will give you an overview of the concept this simulation aims to teach. It will also guide you through the simulation by providing instructions on every step. For some additional information regarding the topic, click on the book icon on the left side of the screen. To restart the simulation, click on replay button. Click on start to get hands-on with poultry farming virtually. Poultry farming is a form of animal husbandry which is undertaken to raise domestic fowl for the production of eggs and meat. Broilers are maintained for getting meat, while layers are managed for the purpose of getting eggs. Good management practices are important for good production of poultry products. As an animal farmer, take into consideration the various factors given at the bottom of the screen to develop a good farm with high egg and meat production points. Crossbred fowl are developed by crossbreeding Indian and foreign breeds to give desired traits like tolerance to high temperature, low maintenance requirement, etc. Zoom in to observe its morphological traits like shank color, comb type, etc. See for yourself how it differs from the other two varieties. Select the poultry breed you want to rear and then click on select and proceed. Have a look at the meat and egg points on the top of the screen after every stage. Select the coop type as the maintenance facility for the selected poultry. Left click the mouse and drag it to get a 360-degree view of the farm. Click on select and proceed to go to the next phase. The nutritional requirements of broilers are somewhat different as compared to egg layers. So select the preferred feed for poultry based on your aim of rearing them. Go to the next phase by clicking on select and proceed. Poultry birds suffer from variety of diseases caused by viruses, bacteria, fungi, parasites, etc. So it is advisable to get them vaccinated to prevent the occurrence of infectious diseases and reduce loss of poultry during an outbreak of disease. Again click on select and proceed. Take a note of your score in productivity and health points. Click here to view detailed breakup of your score. Close the score table by clicking on this cross button. Scholar Virtual Lab provides an interactive and engaging experience to students where they can practice and repeat different scenarios as often as needed to reinforce learning. So, click on Play Again to try out other scenarios so as to observe their impact on the productivity and health points. Thanks for watching.